Page number 501, ready, start. The 7 petitioners have approached this court with the prayer that a writ in the nature of mandamus be issued directing the Chandigarh administration to allocate alternative sites so as to enable them to do their business as hawkers, rehdi, fadi vendors if they cannot be settled in sector 26 Mandi stop paragraph. Mr. Ajay Mahajan, learned counsel for the petitioners, contends that the respondent are not permitting the petitioners to continue their business in sector 26 market stop. In this situation, the council prays that the administration should provide alternative sites stop. Reliance has been placed on the decision of a bench of this court in CWP number 17105 of 1996 stop paragraph. Admittedly, the administration has framed the bylaws called Chandigarh Hand Cart bracket start control and regulation bracket close bylaws 1975 stop. These bylaws have been framed under sections 188 to 199 of the Punjab Municipal Act 1911 and the other provisions of law stop. Bylaw 3 inter alia provides that no person shall use a hand cart unless he has obtained under these bylaws a license in Forum A stop. Admittedly, the petitioners do not have any licenses stop. Their activities are thus wholly contrary to the bylaws stop. Mr. Mahajan submits that the petitioners have applied for licenses stop. Assuming it to be so, it is the admitted position that no license has been issued to any of the petitioners so far stop. In this situation, it is clear that the petitioners are keeping their hand carts in sector 26 market in violation of the bylaws stop para. A writ of mandamus can be issued only when a person can show the existence of a right in him and an obligation in the respondent stop. In the present case, the petitioners have no right stop. The action of the respondents in asking the petitioners to vacate the places occupied by them is in conformity with law stop. No ground for the issue of a writ of mandamus is made out stop paragraph. Mr. Mahajan submits that directions have already been given by a bench of this court in CWP number 17105 of 1996 bracket start Sabji Mandi Association and others versus Chandigarh administration and others bracket close full stop paragraph. That was a case where the members of the association were licensed vendors stop. Such is not position in the present case stop. Thus the petitioners can derive no advantage from the decision stop paragraph. No other point has been raised stop paragraph. In view of the above, we find no merit in the petition stop. It is consequently dismissed in limine stock.